In this TeamWork 5 employee tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit and delete your notifications. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on Collaboration. You should arrive at your Collaboration home page. To go to your notifications, go to your new top menu bar and click on Notifications. You should now have arrived at your notifications page. To delete a set of notifications, go to the top of that page and click the arrow next to Global or whatever you have written in that box and select the notifications that you would like to delete. I'm going to go ahead and delete the global ones. And then I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom and choose Delete. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure you actually do want to delete that set of notifications. If you don't, hit Cancel. If you do, select OK. And now my global notifications have been deleted. If I go back up to the top and click the arrow again, you'll see there's no longer an option for me to click on my global notifications. Now, select whichever set of notifications you would like to edit. I'm going to edit my after hours notifications. I don't actually want to receive notifications for the swap board anymore, so I will go ahead and uncheck that one. And maybe I want to receive my calendar both on Monday and on Friday, so I'll go ahead and choose Friday. Then scroll down to the bottom. If you like your notifications, choose Save. And a little green bar will appear letting you know when this page was last saved. And now your notifications have been changed. That's how you can edit and delete your notifications. To learn more about your TeamWork 5 account, check out the next video.